Hello, my name is Lisa Orsman again. So, I wanted to make this quick video. So, I just kind of got home from work a little bit and I had my Sephora order ready for me. And I actually got more primer. More primer. That's always good. And then, I got some samples which I thought were super cool, like Giorgio Armani, if, I'm not even sure how to pronounce this. Can you guys tell me how to pronounce this, please, in the comments below? And then we have Ellis Brooklyn Sci-Fi. Actually, I really like this. This actually, to me, smells the best. And then we have another. I got another one. I don't know. It's from Cologne Absolute. Hold on. We're gonna open it up. Man, I can't open things for for beans. Don. Okay, and it's from Altier Cologne Aldecifir. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing these right, so I do apologize in advance. If I can't even, say this right. But anyways, it's a cute little postcard, that came with it. And I like little cologne samples, which is not a problem. But I wanted to make this quick little video because I got this. I spent 100 of my reward points on this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Mattemoiselle plush matte lipstick in the shade Griselda. But before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and we shall get into it. So here we go. So I got my Sephora order, and I picked out of the 100 points from the Sephora thing. I think it changes every month, I'm pretty sure. But anyways, I picked the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I picked the color Griselda, and it's the Mattemoiselle lipstick. So I was playing around with this actually because somehow my iMovie, which I use on my Mac here, it died for some reason, so I had to start all over, wipe the lipstick off anyways. But I think what I'm disappointed with this about is that, one, it's only 0.035 ounces or 1 gram. Now on Sephora, when I picked this up, when I chose it from Sephora, I will read actually what it said that it was supposed to be. 0.04. So I don't know if it's because they rounded up or what, but it's a little bit disappointing from Sephora. I am just going to say it right off the bat. But here's what kind of gets me a little bit, and I'm sorry I'm on my phone. I'm trying to get to the information. But, like, on the website, if you get the full size, I'm talking the regular size, the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Mattemoiselle, it's $18, and it's 0.06 ounces or 1.7 grams. Now, if you're just doing the math, so basically what they're saying is you get a little bit more than what's in here. And to me, like, I spent 100 points, so therefore I had to spend. Oh, look at my kitties. You see my kitties? Oh, look at my kitties. Oh, sidetracked my kitties. But essentially, what I'm getting from all of this is that I spent $100. Okay, so that's 100 points. Basically, I had to spend $100 at Sephora to get 100 points to get this one little itty bitty thing. And, like, it's not a lot. And then to get the original, like, to get the big size, okay, you will have to, you get a little bit more than this, which to me is a little bit of a ripoff. Just being perfectly honest. No tea, no shade. I'm just being perfectly honest. To me, it just seemed a little bit of BS. Like, it just seems like a complete ripoff. I could be completely wrong because from the pictures that I got of the sample, it looked kind of, I got a lot. But looking at it and like just like pulling it out like this isn't a lot. And if this is 0.04 or 0.35 ounces, then 0.6 means that maybe it's double this, or maybe a third more than this, or 50% more, which does not seem a whole lot for $18. I'm not gonna lie, because compared, like, I could get Jeffree Star here. This is in the shade Designer Blood. This was in his holiday collection last year in 2016. I could get this for $18 and I get a lot more product. Or hell, even if I get something from Kat Von D, you know, and here it is, just randomly just picked out of my bag, the her shade Nosferatu, which this is another this is another rage that I went through. But like even this like is, you know, 0.22 fluid ounces. Whatever that is ounces. To me, this is more than this, or even in the original size. But I do want to check out how it is, honestly. Like, I was playing around with it, and it doesn't seem like it says all lasting and everything. And when I was wearing it when my computer was doing something weird, it didn't really seem like it was all that great. And plus, it seemed kind of spotchy in some areas. And I mean, I'm going to put it on again, show you guys. This is with one application. And it was... Like I said, I know my mouth is a little pink because I rubbed it off before refilming this again. I probably shouldn't have done that. But hey, that's life. But no, just like, it doesn't really seem to stick on. Like, I do this around my mouth and that's what my finger looks like. Like, and it's supposed to be, oh, what does it say? I will give Fenty Beauty the plus that it is made in the USA. I will give... And it says here, all-day color intensity, weightless matte finish. You know, and I don't know if it's really all day. I will have to test that and get back to you. But to me, I don't know if it's exactly like full day color. Like, and that's what like gets me a little bit. Like, I think a dupe for this color... Hold on. Why am I opening up an empty bag? Like, I mean, it's a burgundy. Like, a dupe for this could probably be Designer Blood by, you know, Jeffree Star, if you happen to got that from his 2016 holiday collection. Or, I'm pretty sure you can use one of Kat Von D's shades in Vampira, which is kind of a... I'm not sure. This was kind of a hard one because I don't think I've ever dealt with something like this before. But see, this one, okay, so this one's Exorcism by Kat Von D. This is Vampira by Kat Von D. This is the Fenty Beauty. And this is Designer Blood from Jeffree Star. Like, to me, they all look the same or very similar to each other. So to me, like, I mean, you know, maybe other Fenty Beauty products works for other people. That's great. But to me, I am not a huge fan of this lipstick. I am extremely disappointed that this was 100 points from Sephora, which essentially you had to spend $100 to get this, you know, to get 100 points. And that I think that, like I said, if this is either 0.03 or 0.04, whatever it is, because I'm getting two different numbers from Sephora, and if the original and I'm talking about the regular size lipstick, the Mattemoiselle lipstick by the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, is 0.06, and to me, I think it's a little bit of a ripoff, because I think you should get more product for your money. Like, I really think that you would be better off going to Kat Von D or Jeffree Star and getting their products. But anyways, that is my this is just my honest opinion about it. Like, this is not to bash Fenty Beauty in any way. It's just, I'm just stating facts, and this is my experience. Like, I'm not impressed, honestly. But anyways, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.